Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been around much. I've been mostly like living life recently, not recording it that much, which is good for me and bad for my channel. So I decided to kind of find the middle ground and talk about the things that I am thinking about doing, watching, etc. So today I want to talk about something weird. By accident, I was literally like switching the channels on the TV because I haven't had a TV programs for a long time, but now the house that we're renting has a TV and everything included, so we mostly have UK channels now. And I stumbled upon a thing called Naked Attraction, which is kind of the weirdest thing ever you're gonna see. If you're not from UK, there's a chance that I don't know, maybe you can watch it somewhere online, but anyway, it's let me see on what channel it is, and on channel 4 it broadcast. It's basically a clothed person is faced with 6 naked people who are initially hidden in boots, so you basically just see their legs and their private parts. And then, you eliminate people and you choose up to the person that you're gonna date. It's basically a dating show, but not like anything you've ever seen before. It's basically, and then in the end, the person that is picking people comes out naked as well. I know, weird. And it's called Naked Attraction. I think it premiered on 25th of July 2016. It's very it's very weird. Anyways, what I learned from Naked Attraction is a lot of things about attraction, basically, because you see, like, mostly when you're looking at dating shows and stuff like that, it's mostly not about looks. It's more about talks and talking and chatting, and then people get attracted to other people through chatting, through like their personalities in here. But here is nothing else but bodies. And I've learned a few things. So first thing that I've learned is like that I'm always wrong. I'm always wrong about who's gonna pick who. Always wrong. Like, I always say, he will pick this girl, and I was never right. Like, I think I watched like 6 or 7 episodes also by accident. Basically, when I'm coming home from work, it's pretty late because I'm doing all the late shifts, and I'm coming back from work, and basically it's on the TV, and I'm just sipping my tea. What I've learned is, like, I'm never right. I always pick a wrong person, and that tells a lot about attraction. Basically, like, you can say it's so individual, the things that people look and the things that people like about other people, that you can't say like that everybody's gonna go for the prettiest girl. And what is the prettiest girl anyways? There's a lot of things where people don't pick the best looking people because of their own insecurities. They think, I don't know, maybe I'm not good enough looking for this girl, maybe I stand a better chance if I pick someone who is not as pretty as she is. And I've seen a lot of good looking women being really disappointed in the show. It's the same with the really good looking men. It's very weird as well, seeing someone's vaginas and boobs and penises and picking people based on that. It's not a thing that we usually do because, like, you don't really walk around seeing people naked. And it's also good. I think this show is very good for self-esteem. I know you're gonna be laughing, but it's amazing for self-esteem. There's a lot of people with different shapes and different qualities in their bodies, and you can see that nobody's perfect, or that everybody in the end is perfect, and that everybody gets picked by someone. Never mind your body weight or your shape or your age, or there was even like people with disabilities, and they got picked by people. we can never assume what another person is gonna like about us, and that brings the whole thing about insecurities to the trash bin. Basically, you can bin them, because sometimes your insecurities or the things that you deem the worst about yourself are going to be the things that people are going to pick you for, because they're going to love them. And I don't know, like my fiance has been like looking at me watching this show, and he's like, what's wrong with you? And I don't know, I found this quality in it that was a surprising one, because it helped me see things differently. You know, when you're growing up, because you're bombarded by magazines and TV shows and movies in which, you know, all the female or male protagonists are the prettiest, nicest girls or boys on the planet, and you think, oh, if I want to find happiness, if I want to find good sex life, if I want to find, you know, ideal partner, I need to be this person. Do you really? Do you really now? Even, you know, when you look at all these pretty girls or pretty boys, there is always something on them that doesn't stand up to the definition of being perfect in today's world. So why bother even? Why even bother? You know, at some point in your life, someone's gonna see you whole, someone's gonna smell your breath, you know, see how you look like in the morning, how your hair is, it's gonna see you in different shapes of your body, you know, you're gonna change through life. And looks is not everything, you know, we focus so much on it. We think that in search for our happiness, we need to look a certain way. If we don't look perfect, we don't deserve perfect happiness, perfect relationship, perfect sex life, and that's a fucking blatant lie. So please, if you can, check Naked Attraction. It's probably gonna shock you. It's a stupid show in the end, you know. There's most of the people dating there never even find partners, you know. Most of the dates end up on that date, and they don't see each other anymore. Maybe they have a one-night stand or whatever. But I don't think people even go to that show because of that. I think sometimes it's very liberating to show yourself naked to the world the way you are, you know, because you're gonna say like, oh yeah, this is my belly, and you know, that's it, I have it now, everybody knows, so I don't have to hide it anymore. And I don't know, I love the psychological part of the show. If you watch it, just tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I'm curious. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, please like my channel, subscribe, and I will be seeing you later.